Hi, I'm Laura with Kansas City Mom Collective, and this is my daughter, Anna. Recently, she was having some severe abdominal pain and other symptoms that kind of as a mom, I just didn't think was right. And so I called our pediatrician and talked to the triage nurse about all the symptoms, and it was determined that I needed to get emergency care for her. We took her to the Pediatric ER at Overland Park Regional Medical Center. As a mom of 3 kids, I've had plenty of experiences in urgent cares and doctor's offices and hospitals, unfortunately, but this experience stood out because of all of the kid-friendly and mom-approved features. I'm going to walk you through our experience and show you why the Pediatric ER at Overland Park Regional is mom and kid approved.
The Pediatric ER offers immediate care with little to no wait times. I was impressed by the ease of checking in. We were helped as soon as I walked up to the window and escorted back to our room without sitting in a crowded waiting room, wondering how long it would be before we were seen. Within minutes, a nurse was in our room discussing our concerns, and just a short time later, we were greeted by the doctor on call. They both had such a friendly bedside manner and made us feel comfortable right away. Anna needed X-rays. I was impressed that the X-ray machine came right to our room. That immediate service was so convenient. As a mom that's trying to keep her scared child calm, this was a huge relief. We didn't have to wait for radiology to come get us and walk down a hall to a dark room. She was able to get scanned quickly and from the comfort of her bed. The doctor read the results right away and thankfully gave us good news. We came up with a care action plan together for how to proceed. If there was a different outcome to the X-ray, I felt confident that we would have received excellent care as they have a surgical team on staff, inpatient care, and a pediatric ICU, should any of that be needed. Checkout was a breeze like everything else. The mobile checkout station came right to our room, where I had a live call with an agent that took our insurance information and payment. These extra amenities were such an added luxury when I was worried about Anna. You could tell the pediatric ER really cares about kids and parents. Dr. Shiffman is the medical director at the Pediatric ER at Overland Park Regional Medical Center. Dr. Shiffman, thank you for taking such good care of us, first of all, right? But tell us a little bit about why the Pediatric ER is dedicated to caring for kids.
So we built this emergency department about 7 years ago now for the community to bring specific pediatric care to the community. Every child, whether they have minor injuries or more severe injuries, should, in my opinion, get pediatric specialized care. The reason why we do that is because kids are not little adults, as people have said before. They're very specific in their physiology, their metabolism, and their disease processes. And myself, as our nurses and our child life specialists, all have specific training geared specifically towards children. So if there's ever a choice where a child can receive care here in Overland Park Regional Medical Center for pediatric emergency care, it's ideal. If it's a true emergency and they need the closest emergency department, then of course call 911 and go to the closest ER. But if you have a choice and you can have the time to get to a peds dedicated ER, I would always want to bring my kids to a pediatric dedicated ER.
We hope your kids never have to come here, but if they do, it was a great place for me.
Now you have a choice when it comes to pediatric specialty care. The Pediatric Center at Overland Park Regional Medical Center is a part of HCA Midwest Health. For more information or to find a pediatric specialist, visit hcamidwest.com/pediatrics.